Hello viewers, welcome to our problem solving. Today's problem is count duplicate characters from string functional programming version. Okay, here all the instructions are set, so we just follow and enjoy the coding. Okay, to do one, create a method. Okay, and argument type is string and return type is map. Okay, let's get started. Public static return type map. So first parameter character, second parameter long, and method name. Okay, that is, and parameter will be string. Now, okay, and the to check input string is valid or not. If str equal null or str is blank, if so, then we can actually throw new illegal argument exception, invalid input. Okay, now to do 3, convert input string to lowercase, return str dot to lowercase, and convert input string into characters, then characters, and to do 5, map characters to object, map to object. So C is car. Okay, and filter. So we will only keep the digit and characters, no space and another things. So characters is letter or digit, and collect all characters using group by dot collect collectors dot grouping by. Okay, so we declare a variable. So now collectors dot counting. Fine. Now filter and keep only duplicate characters. So we need empty set, we need stream, and then we filter again. And we will actually filter and keep value more than 1. Greater than 1. Okay. And finally, we will collect our data, collectors dot to map. So map dot nt method reference get key, comma map dot entry get value. Perfect. And finally verify your method. Okay, now let's it here psbm. So write a for loop, map dot nt, first parameter character, second parameter long, and variable entry. Now count version 2, Bangladesh and India, and here dot entry set and okay, system out. Here we will print first key, entry dot get value. Now let's check. Perfect, the same value we have checked in the previous version. Okay, if you want to understand the traditional version, then you can check our version 1 video. And if you have any question here, please write a comments. Thank you very much for watching.